Finding the courage to change. Blessed contrast. Richard Bach once said, "There is no such thing as a problem without a gift for you in its hands." A long time ago, I would have dismissed this idea as crazy. The word problem makes me think of things gone wrong or mistakes to be corrected. This is a problem. How could a problem also be a gift? If I change the way I look at the word, I can equate problem to puzzle. Some people find puzzles fun. They like them. Because I thought I had to be perfect, I didn't like puzzles. Puzzles equaled certain failure, not enjoyment. This kind of thinking kept me stuck. Today I see problems as contrast. We need contrast to be able to see things. All black or all white or all one color isn't that interesting to look at. But if we combine black and white, or if we add more colors, we start to see beauty. We see life. Of course, contrast can come in many different sizes. The bigger the problem, the sharper the contrast. Sometimes a problem can be solved in a moment, and sometimes it takes years. Each problem-solving experience brings a gift. The gift is experience, expansion, and growth. The contrasting and challenging problems that I've solved have given me contrast. I've become more knowledgeable, more confident, more compassionate. Like a painting, the contrast in my life creates beauty in my soul. Thank you, blessed contrast.